Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Offense speaking. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is the YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Don't forget that small button, that small bell button that is right next to subscribe button there, so that you can be notified every time I upload the next video. Ladies and gentlemen, let's look at our chart. We're going to start with Nasdaq 100. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our instrument, Nasdaq 100. Now you can say NAS or US100. We are on a daily time frame at the moment, so I want you guys to see or witness something that I noticed. Notice that our chart was, price was very bullish. That was previous weeks, previous months, and then the beginning of the year. That's when we witness our price breaking that bullish trend, support zone trend, yes, and then push towards the downside where we had the bearish trend line. Trend line is in my mind. This is the channel of trend lines anyway, where we trade the trend lines. Hence the trend line is in my mind, is playing in my mind at the moment. So I wanted you guys to see this. There was a channel here, bearish channel. The price was pushing towards the downside and broke out of this resistance right here, as we saw the price pushing towards the upside, and now the price is bearish. The price looks bearish, but I want you guys to see this. This is what I want you guys to see. I hope you guys know your patterns and be able to witness this type of pattern that I'm drawing here. Doesn't this look like what you call a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder? I hope you guys do understand. It looks like inverted head and shoulder. So look at this. If I use that tool right here, this is what is happening. My left shoulder, come on, left shoulder. Yes, this looks like my left shoulder, and we are about to witness the right shoulder forming right here. I hope the price will do or will respect our set and give us this type of structure. The reason why I'm saying this might be our inverted head and shoulder, you can see let me show you. I wanted to show you. You can see this level right here. Look at this level right here that was forming around this shoulder here. Are you able to see this, guys? Are you guys able to see this area? Why I'm saying this could be our inverted head and shoulder, and this could be our right shoulder. Look at this. The price came in, pushed towards the downside, didn't manage to break or create the lower low, and now the price pushed towards the upside, came back to retest this level right here, this horizontal level, and now the price is about to push towards the upside if it respects this area. I hope this makes sense. Anyway, let's go back. Let me clean the chart so that it doesn't look that messy to you guys. I want you guys to look at this. Look at this what you call this trend right here, this bearish trend. I hope this is perfect for you to see. And if you can see, the price on a daily time frame broke out of this area right here and pushed towards the upside, and now it didn't make the full retest to the level, but it seems like it will make or respect this level. I hope you guys know your reversal patterns. This looks more like a reversal pattern. I don't want to go more into it. I just wanted you guys to be aware of it, but you have to trade this area with a very what do you call, what is this word that I'm looking for? Carefully, very carefully, so that you don't find yourself sailing and the price doesn't go towards the downside as you might think, but push towards the upside. So this is a very significant area. The reason I'm trying to make sure you are aware of this area, the price might be giving us this type of a bullish trend. What if this is what will happen? Okay, let me go into the lower time frame so that you can be able to see. Oh, I went to weekly. Okay, let me do weekly now. On weekly, we can see that this is our pullback. The price can still go like this. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm showing you here. This is weekly. If the price gives us this pullback on weekly, it clearly says we're gonna have a very bullish trend in the next coming weeks. If the price respects this area right here. If the price doesn't respect the area, we're gonna continue with the, you see, with the bearish trend right there. That's weekly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that makes sense to you all. Let's go to the lower time frame. For hourly time frame, I wanted us to be aware of that level, to respect that level, to trade that level very carefully. So I want us to look at this now. On our 4 hourly time frame, ladies and gentlemen, look at this trade. Look at this candlestick right here. Look at this candlesticks right here so that you can be able to trade very carefully. Look at this. This is an engulfing bullish candlestick. What does the engulfing bullish candlestick mean? Usually engulfing candlesticks, it says the reversal of the trend. Which trend? This trend, it might be it might be the time for it to change the, what you call, your direction. So you have to trade that level very, very carefully, because I want you guys to see something again. We are having this type of structure right here. I hope this is very visible to everyone to see. And it shows that our price still has to push towards our trend line before we see it pushing towards the downside. I hope this makes sense. If the price doesn't respect this area, this level that you see right here, we're gonna see the price breaking and push towards the upside, and we will end up having that trend that I was showing you on the daily time frame. So this is a very important area right here, right now. We just have to trade it. We just have to be very careful when we trade it. So I hope you guys understand where I'm going with this. Look at this bullish candlestick, and we just have to wait for the opening session and be able to witness if the price is. And don't forget that this area, it was previously respected. Look at that. Look at those key areas, key levels that have been formed around this area. I hope you guys are able to see it. Even in the past, look at this. Look at this. Let's go far left. Look at this area level here. As I was telling you, the price might be giving us this type of structure that we are able to witness. We might be having this type of structure right here. That looks very messy. Let me just go to the next instrument so that we can continue with our trading or analysis for the before the opening session. Remember the opening session, the New York opening session in USA time frame, it's around 9:30 a.m. and South African time zone it's around 3:30 p.m. So let's look at gold. Another thing that I want you to see on gold. Gold is giving us this type of structure. Why am I doing that? Okay, look at this on gold. These are the patterns. These are the patterns that we should know. Look at this, guys. What is this pattern right here? What is this pattern right here? Are we able to see this pattern? Let's go to weekly. Maybe it will be very reversible, this pattern. This looks like a cup handle. This looks more like a cup handle pattern. I hope it does make sense to you all, that cup handle pattern. Remember, cup handle pattern is always telling us that the price is about to push towards the upside. So if this looks like this on gold, you will have to trade Nasdaq very carefully. It might be time for Nasdaq to thing that we should know is that the price might not might not break this area. We might respect the area and push towards the downside. Remember, we are not the market movers. The big banks are the one that moves the market. We are traders who wait for the breaks and retest and place the buy trades positions and push towards the upside with the price right there. I hope it does make sense with you guys, because this price this level has been retested yes, couple of times. You can see the price came, retested and went to push towards the downside, retested the area again, went to push towards the top, came back to retest. As you can see, now we just have to wait for the break and push towards the upside. One thing that I want you guys to be aware of again is this type of candlestick pattern that has been forming right here. Hope you guys are able to see this. This is a ascending triangle. Usually ascending triangles breaks from this area, from this side, and push towards the towards the upside. I don't see the price pushing towards the downside because of this ascending triangle that is right here that we witness. And remember, from our weekly and daily, there was a cup handler that we witnessed, and usually the cup handler will give us this type of structure that breaks that handler and push towards the upside. Hope it makes sense to you guys. This is gold. We just have to wait and witness our price breaks out of this area right here. We can see we have a trend right here that is forming. One thing I can advise you guys is, let's look at this in this type of manner. Let's go to the line chart and look at this trend. I hope I will be able to draw it, because gold doesn't give us clear or very beautiful trends. Oh, channel, look at this. This is what I was talking about. So one thing I can tell you guys, we just have to wait to see if the price break this trend and push towards the downside before it reaches this area, the overall support that we are having right here, or we just have to witness the price breaks this level and retest, push towards the upside. That's when we will be placing our buy after retest. Sometimes we don't have a retest, the price will just push before you think of it will retest. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys do like whatever that I'm trying to bring up to you guys, so that you be aware of this type of trades. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and don't forget that bell button so that you can be notified every time I upload the video. One favor that I would like you guys to do it again for me, please do share this type of videos with your friends. Ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely day, have a lovely night, have a lovely morning. Wherever you are watching, I believe you will be watching this video in a different time zone, different time of the day actually.